Is your Insta360 X3 not connecting to your PC or computer? It says USB device not recognized, or it doesn't appear in the computer. Here are some easy and effective fixes. The first thing we're going to check is the USB mode. For that, swipe down, then click on the settings icon, USB mode, and choose U-Disk mode. Now reconnect your Insta360 X3 to your computer, and it should appear inside the File Explorer. If it doesn't, then in most cases it's probably the USB cable that's not compatible. So what we're gonna do is try a different USB cable, for example, the one you use to charge your smartphone, or even a high-speed data transfer cable that comes with an SSD. You can also try a different port and see if that helps. If it still can't connect via USB, then you should give both your computer and your Insta360 X3 a restart, and if a software glitch was causing this, then the issue will be resolved. If USB still doesn't work, then don't worry. You just need to pinch these two levers to open the battery compartment, and after removing it, you'll need to remove the SD card by pushing on it with your nail. Now that you got the SD card, you just need to insert it into your laptop or computer. If it doesn't have a built-in SD card reader, then you can use an external one, and this will work like a charm. So now you'll be able to copy all your videos and photos and edit them on your PC. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.